Hi guys, and welcome to this section of mail merging, where we will be doing primary letters or documents, merged letters or documents and data files. So a company uses mail merge when they are wanting to send out some letters or tax invoices to a large group of clients or customers, and it just cuts down having to type out 100 letters. So let's just go through it. So there's different parts of mail merge. So there's the primary letters or documents. So that's the information required on all the documents. So that's the dear so-and-so, this letter is to inform you. It's all those kind of things. Or the GST of a company on a tax invoice and the wording on the invoice, that'll all be the same. You also have the data files, which is the information that needs to be inserted into the document. For example, the first name, the last name, the address, how much they owe, or what kind of trip they've gone on, but that kind of information. And a secondary letter is a result of it, and I will show you when I create it. It's a result of putting the data files into the secondary letter, and there's a link there. And then you have the final part, which is the merge letter, and that's the finished product, and that is the document that you will be sending to the clients. Alright, so let's get started. Okay, so the first thing I've done is I've opened up a business template for the company. So that's the corporate events company. If you want to know where I'm getting all this information from, or this exercise, it's on page 66 of your workbooks. If you want to flip over to that page and just follow with me so you know what's happening, or if you want to try it yourself, that's where it's come from, page 66. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is to begin the mail merge. We want to go to mailings, start mail merge, step-by-step mail merge wizard, and then you get this up here. So what you want to do is click on type a new list, and then click create, and this will come up. Now with the information in the book, you want to customize the columns. Now you can do this by clicking here. So you can add, delete or rename any of these. So we'll just add, delete that. You can also rename them. So we need to put service here. Just showing you that you can, or you can add date. Just showing you how you can add, delete or rename. It's really straightforward. Now I'm just going to enter in the details from the exercise, and we'll go from there. So this is what it should look like after you've added, deleted or renamed. Click OK, and then you enter in the details. So you got, I'll just do an example for you guys. Jones, tab, PO Box 5258, Auckland. We've got staff party. So you just fill in all those details, and then you go back and then you enter all the details again, and I'll just show you what it should look like. Now once you've entered in all the details of the clients, you click OK, and this screen will pop up, and that's what it should look like. In this area you can edit who you want to send the letter to, who you don't want to send the letter to, or you just leave the ticks in there. You can sort here, so you can sort by the last name, ascending or descending order, so it'll put it in alphabetical order, or you can do filter, the same sort of thing. And if you click OK, that is all done. So the next thing we want to do is come down here to write our letter. So if you click on write your letter, so the first thing we'll do is insert a date, 2nd of November, okay, enter. And the first thing we want to do is put in an address block. So these things here on the corner, this is the information that you're getting from the data file. So if you click on that, and this is the address block. So this is what it's going to look like. Okay, and you can actually view what each one is going to look like, and I want it to look like that, so I'm going to click OK. Click again. Actually, I'll just make it a little tighter. think. And then the next one we want to do is the greeting line, so it's how we're going to greet them, so I would like to do it that way. And you can put a comma, semicolon, or put none. Then I'm going to enter in the details of the letter. Okay guys, so this is what I got so far. So with regard to your next planned event, we would recommend A, and it says that I need to insert service. So if it's not in here, click on more items and then you have a list. And click on service, insert, close. Okay. Right, we need to insert cost here. So we'll insert cost, close, full stop. And carry on with the letter. And this is the last one, so we need to put date here, click on more items, date, and close. And then we can finish off the letter. And this is what the primary letter looks like. So you just click on that and then save it. Save it into wherever you need to save it into. And I'll call it corporate events primary letter, so just click OK. So that's the primary letter there. Now we need to preview them. So if you click on preview your letters down here, this is what the merged letter looks like. So it just gives you all the information, and if you come up here you can actually flick through them. See how that changes. And you can edit the recipient list here again, and you can actually exclude recipient, meaning this letter here. If I click on that button it won't send this out. And then you just want to complete the merge by clicking here, and you can either print it all out and do it later, or you can edit individual letters. So if you do that, if you click that, merge records, so if you click all, it will do all the records for you, or you can just do certain or the one that, so all of them means when we click OK, all of them will come up. The current record means the one that we're looking at now here, or you can do it from 1 to 3. And if I click OK, and these are your merged letters. So make sure to click on all, guys, because in your assessment it says you need to attach all the merged letters. So click on File, Save As, put it in there, click Save, and then that's how you do a merged letter. Just make sure to save all your documents into the OneDrive, and all the resources you need for the assessment, like the template, will be on FreshE. And that's how you do a merged letter. Oh, and one more thing, guys, just make sure to, when you save the data file, the primary letter and the merged letter, just make sure to save it as whatever the assessment has it as. Okay, awesome.